Hello dear student of class 10th. This is the video for you, and this chapter we will learn the chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, and will understand. And first we know about the linear equation in two variables. As we know, the linear equation like x plus 1 is equal to 5. This is a linear equation as you know already. And linear equation in two variable. What is the meaning of this? Linear equation in two variable. If we are writing x plus y is equal to 5, this is a linear equation in two variable, because x and y, x is a variable, y is variable. So how many variables are here? Two variables. And the chapter name is pair of linear equation in two variables. If we writing 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, this is also a linear equation in two variable. So now this is equation number first and this is equation number second. So how many equations are here? Two equations. So we can say pair of linear equation in two variables. So this is the meaning of the chapter number 3. And what is the use of this chapter in our life? So we should know pair of linear equation in two variables. If we are saying cost of a book and two pen is equal to 50 rupees, in next month this value will maybe change. So the cost of two book and five pen is equal to 100 rupees. Then the cost of a pen, cost of a copy or a book and cost of a pen, what will be? So we can find it by the two methods. There are two methods. One is algebraic method and second one is graphical method. So we will discuss introduction and how to solve such type of problems by using algebraic and graphical methods. So have a look on the screen carefully. And one more thing, the general form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variable. If we are talking about the linear equation in two variable and pair of linear equation in two variable, so we can write it a1x plus b1 by plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2 by plus c2 is equal to 0. These are two linear equation in two variable. So these are two equations, and the coefficient, the first equation in the coefficient of x a1 and coefficient of y b1, and this is a constant term. And the second equation, the coefficient of x is a2 and the coefficient of y b2 and the constant term is c2. So these are two linear equation in two variables. So we can say the pair of linear equation in two variable. These are the standard or general form of the linear equation in two variable. Now first we should know about the lines. If we represent any line on a graph, if they are intersecting each other, if they are, when we will draw the graph of lines, then they may be intersect or parallel or coincident. So what are parallel, what are intersect, and what are coincident? So look at here, these type of lines like this when two lines cross to each other at a point known as intersecting line, these two points intersecting this point, and these two points are parallel lines. And what is the definition of parallel lines? If two lines never intersect to each other and they have a equal gap in every point, so we can say those lines are parallel. And this is a coincident line. The meaning of coincident is if two lines overlapping to each other, and we can say two lines moving onto over. So if they are moving onto over, so we can say coincident line. If you are drawing this line and again a person come and draw a line on it, so we can say these are coincident lines. And the this was, we can say, graphical method. And just wait few seconds. This table, this table is most important for you. First you know this. Look at this table carefully. Here two linear equation in two variables, pair of linear equation in two variables, x minus 2y is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. As I have told you, for as a general form of the linear equation two variable, a1 plus b plus b1 by e plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. When we will compare it, then we get a1 is equal to 1 in this equation, and b1 is equal to minus 2 and c1 is equal to 0, and a2 is equal to 3 and b2 is equal to 4 and c2 is equal to minus 20. You can compare it easily. And when we compare like this, a1, if a1 upon a2, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, so we can say by the graphical representation the lines are intersecting, the lines are intersecting. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, so we will say the lines are intersecting to each other at a point. So if two lines intersecting at a point, then we can say it has only one solution, or exactly one solution, or unique solution. This is a algebraic interpretation. When you find the values of x and y, then this will be the unique solution. And the next pair of linear equation in two variable, 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0, and the second one is 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. If we compare it by a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, then you will find it 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 and minus 9 upon 18. When will you write in lowest form, then you will get a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. As we know, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. So every fraction is written in like 1 upon 2. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. They are equal. If they are equal, so we will say by the graphical representation coincident lines. They are coincident line, means if one line moving and another line is also moving on that, then we can say coincident lines. If they are moving, so the solution infinitely many solution. We can say there may be infinitely or many solution. And the third point is, these two linear equation in two variable, x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. If we compare with a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, then we will find like 1 upon 2, this is also 1 upon 2, but this is 1 upon 3. When we compare it, then we get a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but this is not equal to c1 upon c2. The lines are parallel. You have to remember this point. If a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 are equal, and the third one is not equal, both of these, so we can say the lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, as we know, if lines are parallel and they are not intersecting at a point and they are not meeting to each other, so we can say there is no solution. So this is a short info of this chapter third, and I will tell you how to solve the sums of exercise 3.1. and if you are liking it, and if you are enjoying it by my explanation, so like and subscribe with your friends, and don't forget to hit the button of bell icon. Thank you for watching.